Melly's co-defendant YNW Bortland was booked into a Miami jail Monday night and is being held behind bars on an out-of-county warrant. We just confirmed the warrant is out of Broward County for witness tampering. The warrant obtained by Law and Crime Network states as follows. On or about April 10, 2023, continuing through and including July 22, 2023, Cortland Henry, a.k.a. Bortland, along with others, did unlawfully and knowingly engage in misleading conduct toward another person with the intent to cause or induce them to withhold testimony. The warrant continues the alleged witness had been summoned by the legal process to the jury trial of Jamel Dimmons, a.k.a. YNW Melly. The dates in the warrant are important. Jury selection for Melly started in mid-April, and a judge declared a mistrial on July 22nd, the same day the warrant claims Bortland allegedly tampered with the witness.
We ready to go on Mr. Dimmons?
I read it as fast as I could.
Okay. Okay, sir, like I said, your attorney's with us in court today. You're charged with tampering with a witness to withhold testimony in a capital life felony. And I just find probable cause for that and of charge. And state your recommendation was?
No bond.
No bond. In defense?
Your Honor, first of all, I don't believe there's probable cause here. By the way, my name is Daniel Aronson for the record.
Okay.
I don't think there's probable cause. What the document shows in the probable cause affidavit is that other people did things, but it doesn't say what Mr. Dimmons did. There is one passage in it where somebody overheard him say something while somebody else is on the phone. Other than that, this is other people doing things. So I don't think there's probable cause. And if there's probable cause, then I say a standard bond.
Okay. Well, the argument on probable cause is reserved. I did find probable cause based on the allegations, but you can bring that up in the division later on in other appropriate motions. Okay. Based on all the allegations here in the history, I am going to set a no bond on that. And sir, you will be entitled to an author hearing with your division judge for appropriate release conditions at a different time. But when you are released, I'm under no victim contact. Anything else?
We'll deal with this in front of Judge Berman.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you, sir. Stay in contact with your attorney.
Can you tell my attorney to come see me?
Yes.
Yes, I believe you heard that. He will come.
Yo, it's Big Ant, the spokesman, man. We back. Another edition of Urban Politicians TV, UPTV. Make sure you stay on your pivot at all times, man. Had to come tap in. And first and foremost, I want to once again say condolences to the entire families of YNW Sack Chaser and YNW Juvie. There's a lot of things in the news and the media and everything like that with information. But the one thing that is concrete and confirmed is that these two young brothers have lost their lives. So all of their family, loved ones, close friends, or anybody affected by their loss in this story, prayers up to them and condolences. Now, back in the summer, we seen YNW Melly trial end in a mistrial. Then we later on saw that they would be retrying him again as expected. Him and YNW Bortland are charged with these murders. YNW Melly facing capital punishment and death. YNW Bortland is facing just life in prison. Then we saw Monday came out that YNW Bortland was hit with a tampering with a witness charge. And I had a link in the description where you can watch the clips in the beginning in full and I'm going to get into the write-up in just a second from CBS. But y'all saw the Law and Order clip right there while YNW Bortland was out on bond already on the ankle monitor since 2021. But now it then got to the point where they're charging YNW Melly also right there. And you heard him say, hey, my client has nothing to do with this, but they did speak about something on the phone that somebody overheard. It's always counter working parts behind the scenes when it comes to things like this right here. And it's going to be what it's going to be at this point. But facing death penalty, facing life in prison for YNW Bortland, the last thing you want being put in front of the jury, being put in front of the case, or them even see it on the news. Of course, the jury is not supposed to focus on what's going on in the real world or what's on the headlines, but they are human. Tampering with a witness, because that automatically puts a guilty look on your back. Now, YNW Melly will have another chance at bond and everything, but with that going on, if they have the probable cause, they most definitely gonna probably deny it again. But the write-up says this: Rapper YNW Melly and the man accused of assisting him in a 2018 double murder in Broward are now accused of witness tampering. The rapper, whose real name is Jamel Demons, was back before a judge Wednesday after being charged with tampering with a witness to withhold testimony in a capital life felony. Demons wore an orange jail jumpsuit as his attorney, Daniel Harrison, argued that there wasn't probable cause for the new charge in the arrest documents. There's one passage in it where somebody overheard him saying while somebody else is on the phone. Other than that, this is the other people doing things. So I don't think there's probable cause, Aronson said. Demon's alleged accomplice, Cortland Henry, was booked into the Broward County Jail by the Broward Sheriff's officers Wednesday, the same witness tampering charge, jail records showed. And I'm going to tell you like this. If anybody contacted somebody who was selected jury or contacted anybody to change their story in any way, that's going to mess up everything for you. Not only does it make you look guilty, that make you look like, hey, I'm going to go over, backdoor the law of what they putting down and everything like that. It's alleged now, hasn't been confirmed. These are just charges that came about. YNW Melly has been locked up the whole time, and that's why his lawyer is like, well, hold on, how are y'all charging him for this and he behind the wall? But I'm going to tell you like this is where it get real at. They are innocent until proven guilty on these new charges. Same thing with the murder, and we got to wait and see how everything play out, man. But separating from their case and what they got going on in the real world in real time, shootings, killings, these things go on. Y'all seeing these processes in real time. We got the internet now. You can be inside a jail cell and see what they living like. Some of them gonna show the bad side. But I'm gonna tell you like this, man. You don't want to be on the inside, because when you on the inside, you ain't got your real freedom. You're gonna have somebody telling you what to do. You're gonna be wearing the same clothes every day, basically, programming with the same people when you could be outside enjoying your time and your freedom with your family. Got to stay out the way, man. Tell me what y'all think. We got more coming, more videos, all that. 1000. Stay on your pivot.